All right, here's another house we're getting ready to do. We're not doing these floors, but getting ready to do the carpets. Sheesh. This master bedroom. It's pretty nice here. Oh, that's dope. This fire here. No cap. Oh yeah, I smell all the pet stuff too. Oh yeah, I see all the pet here. Lined up right here too. Yeah, knock this out. As y'all can see, we got a long hose run. Long hose run here. Nice community. It's a big house too. Gotta make some chemicals real quick. This that Sage is one free and clear. We're gonna take 2 scoops of this here. This is my favorite. Now everybody use 20 value clear, but we're gonna use this 40 value. There's a little bit of here, it's peroxide, but this gonna help with some of that yellow inside the carpet. There's other brands out there that sell peroxide, but if you can't order now, you can get some of this from Sally's Beauty Supply. Undoes it. That's what I go to for my pet treatment. And this room right here I'm spraying in particular, I can tell the dog's been back here more, because I can smell it versus like the front areas. But y'all gonna see what this look like when we're done with this here. All right, let's go check Carol out, see what Carol got going on. Jeez, look at all this dog here. Look at all this dog here. Yeah. That's a lot of dog here. So I know every room just about got a lot of dog here. This room will look better. Once we clean all this up, this room will look way much better. Homeowners, pet owners. Another video. This room is full of pet hair. You see all this? All pet hair. But I'm gonna show you how to get rid of it. So you gotta stay tuned, continue to watch this video. Shout out to all my supporters. I keep rocking out with Main Street Carpet Cleaners. #1 carpet cleaner in Midland, South Carolina. All right, I'm getting ready to get started. All this here, we're gonna suck it up. We're gonna suck it up. We're gonna set the trend. We're gonna set the standard for this carpet cleaner. You feel me? I gotta overcome companies that's offering bad services. Here's the 3rd room. Kel hit the 3rd room. It's still here. So there's gonna be a bunch more.